Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I have a very special guest with me, and this is Intern Marshall. And Marshall is from the N.O.A.H company, which is New Order Art House. Is that correct?
Yes, so I'm a new intern for N.O.A.H. I normally work behind the scenes.
Okay.
I do a bit of editing, a bit of just a lot of behind the scenes stuff. But the company has asked me here today to as a representative.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm very excited. I've never done anything like this before.
Oh no.
I might be even shaking a bit, but thank you so much for letting me be part of this.
Well, it's great to have you on the show. So welcome, and you've come on a good day.
Oh, really?
Because today we're going to make whiskey ice cream.
Oh, wow.
So I hope you like whiskey.
Yeah. You know.
Well, it doesn't matter if you don't drink, because I don't drink.
Yep.
But whiskey and other alcohol is actually very good flavouring in desserts, and especially ice cream. And do you know why?
Why?
Because it actually acts as an antifreeze, so it prevents the ice cream from freezing too hard.
Really?
So yeah, it retains a softer texture, which actually is a problem with vegan ice cream, because often it does go really solid in the freezer and it's very hard to eat. And you've got to leave it out for ages to thaw.
Ah, okay.
But
yeah, so
if you put alcohol in it, it retains a much softer texture.
That's a very good tip. I've been told I'm not allowed to drink on the job, but I think they can make an exception for this one.
Well, it's not really drinking. We're just going to put a little bit in to flavour it.
That's fine. I won't tell anyone, so.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Well, don't tell our friend Jackson.
Oh.
Because I remember when he was here, he loved this.
Well, today we're going to make some whiskey ice cream again. So Jackson, I'm very sorry. I'm just a representative, you know.
So first we need coconut cream.
Okay.
So you can use any brand of coconut cream as long as it's cream, full cream. So we're just going to put that in a saucepan.
Okay.
You can open this one.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
wait.
Is it too hard? Oh. No, the other way. Yeah, and just pour it into the saucepan.
So just like this?
Yeah, just pour the whole thing in. Yeah,
okay,
that's right.
Coconut cream. And
that's the base of the ice cream. So we're not using milk or eggs because this is vegan. So this is a good base. So now we're going to use corn flour, which will thicken it a little.
Okay.
So we need 2 tablespoons into this bowl. Take a little bit of the cream and put it in here, and then going to whisk it so it becomes smooth.
Okay.
So yeah, just see if we can whisk it.
Oh, not like that?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, that's better. I'll just add in a little bit more. Yeah. So it's just basically to mix the flour into the cream so it's not too lumpy. So now we've got to use a sweetener.
Yes.
So we're going to use maple syrup.
Okay.
Because that is a slightly better form of sugar. It's got more nutrients.
Like a, a bit of a natural sugar.
Yeah, it's a lot more natural. We don't want to use refined white sugar. So we're going to use half a cup.
Okay.
You're doing well so far.
Thank you. I hope I can make N.O.A.H proud by the end of the day.
Well, I'm sure they will be.
If you hopefully they can promote me, but I guess we'll see.
Well, I might make you the head chef.
Oh, can't take too many.
All right, so we need some salt, just a 1/4 teaspoon, so the little one.
Yes.
And salt just brings out the flavour of sugar. It actually enhances the sugar. So you can taste all the flavours really well.
Yeah.
So, but obviously you don't need too much, because too much salt's not great either. So now we're going to heat this on the stove. There we go. It's on a medium heat. So we're just going to stir it now. You can do that. So.
Oh, no. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, that's the way. Yeah, that's better. So you just need to stir it now and then to make sure it doesn't
stick?
Yeah, it doesn't burn and stick on the bottom. So that wouldn't be good. Now I'm going to turn it up a bit. So I'm just going to add this mixture that's got the flour in it. Just add that in and stir it in. So it mixes. Start like boiling really gently. So you can see how there's bubbles forming. So it's starting to heat up.
Okay.
Yeah.
How would you know when it's done?
It'll start bubbling a bit and it'll start thickening a little bit.
I see.
A few lumps.
Yes.
Then you just use a whisk for a bit just to get rid of some of those lumps. Okay. Well, you can see it's like boiling now. So turn it down a little. And you can see how it's coating the spoon, which means that it's pretty much done. It's thickened a lot. So we'll just turn off the heat now. So once you've turned off the heat, you can add the vanilla and the whiskey. So 3 tablespoons of vanilla. You just squirt it into there. Yeah, that's 1. That'll do.
So 3 of these?
Yeah, 3. So as you can see, this is a vanilla paste. So it's got a really nice intense vanilla taste. It's more for a special occasion type ice cream, really. Now we have our whiskey. We're going to put 3 tablespoons of whiskey. Maybe you hold that and I'll tip the whiskey. So that's 1.
Oh, no.
Don't taste it yet. Alright, 2. And 1 more. Okay, right, stir that in. Looks like someone's been drinking this whiskey.
Yeah, it wasn't me.
I think it was my son. So you can see it's mixed up now, and you can actually see the nice bits of vanilla bean in there as well. Vanilla seeds. So what we have to do now, we have to let it cool. Once it's cool, we have to put it in the fridge. And you really need to leave it in the fridge overnight is best. So it gets really cold before you can churn it into ice cream. So we'll put this aside to cool. And I do have some in the fridge already that we can use now. Okay, so as I said, I made some yesterday, which has been chilling in the fridge for all night. So we're going to put this into the ice cream maker to churn it.
Okay.
So we'll just mix it. You see how it's gone nice and thick in the fridge?
Yes.
Okay, so that's good. Once it's on, we just pour it, if you can carefully pour it into there. Churn now.
Yes.
If you want, you can have a little taste of it. See what you think. How's it?
Yeah.
It takes about 20 minutes. So while that's churning, we're going to make a sauce.
Okay.
To go on top. So I thought we can make a whiskey caramel sauce.
Some more whiskey.
Yeah. So like I said, this is something you use if you want to have a special dessert, like you're having a dinner party or something.
Well, maybe if I get a promotion.
Yeah, you can celebrate with this.
Okay.
All right. So this time I'm going to use coconut sugar. So we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. Coconut cream. So if you want to open that, we're going to have 1/2 cup of that. We just have to stir that until it dissolves. You can see it's looking like caramel already. Now it's bubbling a bit. We'll just turn it to low. So we'll add some vanilla and some salt.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes.
And a teaspoon of vanilla, or actually 2.
Okay. Yep, that's number 1. Yep, number 2.
So we just stir that in, so mix. half a teaspoon of baking soda. So that just gives more of a texture.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like you said before, it thickens it,
yeah,
right?
It
Yes.
thickens. So now we need to add the whiskey.
Mmm.
Yeah, so get a tablespoon.
Alright.
That's a big one.
Okay.
So we'll put a tablespoon of whiskey in. Alright.
What? Oh, no.
No drinking. Okay. So now we're just going to add another 2 tablespoons of cream, coconut cream. So that just lightens it a little bit.
Right.
And that's basically all.
Ooh.
You can serve it warm, or you can put it in the fridge and serve it cold.
Cold.
Up to you.
Cold.
But if you serve it warm, you could put the ice cream in a chocolate shell and pour it on it. It'll start to melt the chocolate. So if you really like chocolate, you can have melted chocolate in it as well.
Yeah, we can give it a try.
We could. So let's see if the ice cream's done now.
Ooh, wow.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Wow,
Let's take
it's pretty thick.
this
Wait.
out. Oh,
Wow.
it's too thick, is it?
It's too thick.
Let's bring it over here.
Wow. Ooh.
Obviously, you can eat it like that, or you can put it in the freezer so it'll firm up a bit more.
Wow. How much can I take?
Or whatever you want, really.
Wow.
It's a bit like a soft serve. So have a taste and see what you think. What's it like? Well, it looks like it's good. Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, good. So how about, do you want to try some of the caramel sauce as well? Yeah, or you can use it warm if you want. That's up to you.
Right.
It goes more thick in the fridge, obviously.
That's nice. Are you gonna have some?
Yeah, actually, I'll show you another thing you can do while you try that.
What's that?
This is a chocolate shell. Well, you can put one in like that,
Yes.
and you can just put the ice cream into the chocolate shell.
Whoa. And then?
And you can pour a bit of the caramel sauce on the top.
Oh, that's very artistic.
Oh, how about we try this one?
Ah, okay.
So just pour a little onto there. Yeah, like that.
Whoa!
And if the caramel's fairly warm, it will start to melt the chocolate.
Oh, very nice.
So you'll have
Very
chocolate
nice.
as well.
Ah,
So do you want to taste it with the caramel sauce?
yes, of course.
How's that?
I'm
Good?
the happiest intern that there ever could
Oh,
be.
good. And I bet everyone else is jealous of you right now.
Thank you so much, N.O.A.H for sending me to do this
Yeah.
job.
Well, I'm sure they probably all wish they came here now.
You know, life as an intern, they make you do everything. But
Yeah.
sometimes you get some good ones. You know?
Yeah, that's right.
All right.
Okay, well, there we go.
Ah,
So when you get promoted, you can
you
celebrate
can make this.
with
and
this.
Yes, yes.
So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.